Okay, everybody. The last video ended prematurely, but I was just explaining the herbs to you, so we're good. Now, the only other thing I want to show you guys today, and then I will let everybody be and enjoy their morning. I'm almost done blanching my burdock leaf, and my burdock root is ready to be blended up for a smoothie. So here we go. Okay, when you're done blanching your burdock leaf, I did mine for 2 days. No, I think I did mine for 3 days. Okay, it's still going to be bitter, but you've taken enough of the bitter out to eat it. Yes, it's going to be rough because burdock has that fur on it. Okay, see that burdock leaf? These are ready to be boiled today. This is the burdock root. Yeah, you French press to make the tonic stronger. Use a French press and boil your water. See? My burdock root. Let me change this. See? Now, I'm going to put that burdock root and make it really nice and smooth and creamy with a little bit of coconut milk, and I'm going to use it for a smoothie, okay? So, that's everything that I wanted to show you guys today. I know I'm a little bit rushing today. I'm very sorry. This Sebian had a very long day yesterday and had an incredibly long morning this morning. So this Sebian here is about to get an iron boost and an herb boost because I don't feel well. But I've been very busy, and you can talk to Akila niece about that too. About when you need a reboot, because sometimes work and business and life and family can really do things to your body and you need to revamp. I'm in revamp stage. I just had some things go on and I'm going to need to revamp. So I am going to find a way to bring you guys with me when I go foraging. I think I'm going to have a friend do it for me. So we're going to work that out, okay? Because when I'm foraging, I'm using both of my hands, guys, and I can't be on my phone because you have to be careful when you're foraging. You have to pay attention. You need to be due diligent to your activity at hand because you can hurt yourself, okay? So I'm going to have my friend Jerome, Pop, Jerome Johnson. Yeah, we're going to have him probably come help me a little bit. If not, I'm going to get somebody else, but I think Jerome's going to come help me, and I can show you guys some stuff, okay? I know I'm rambling. I'm trying to get it all in. What else? Acorn squash is tonight. Check in with Lizzy's Alkaline Kitchen tonight, and I'm going to show you guys how to do the acorn squash. I showed you the final result last time. This time when I do the acorn squash, I'm going to show you guys the whole process, okay? So that you can see how I got that yummy potato, which was incredibly yummy, out of this. Okay, this. Now, when you buy this in the store, it's going to be green, okay? It's going to be green. The whole thing is going to be green. As a matter of fact, let me show you really quick. Let me run really fast, and I can show you what it looks like, okay? I'm running. Okay, here we go. I'm going to switch to my stockpile so you guys can see this one. Here. You see this color green? This is the way the acorn squash usually looks when you buy it. It's green. But, you know, so I'm going to show you guys that. And now while I'm here, this is my stockpile area where I stockpile my Sebian ingredients. Because as you guys know, I'm with my mom because I have my baby and she's not Sebian. So this I want to show you guys too so that we can have a good idea. Come on, Aria. Let's go, Pepita. Ven. Ven conmigo, Arieta. Okay, here we go, guys. I'm going to show you the wild clover that I got from the store versus the red clover that I did on my own. Okay? Alright, here we go. Hey, Rodney. Here we go, guys. Alright, so this, let me see if I can control this camera. Okay, guys, look. Can you see that? Okay, this is store-bought red clover, okay? This is the one I harvested on my own. Okay, now let me show you the difference. Do you guys see this one that I harvest by myself? I'll take some photos later because you'll be able to see it better, but this is the one. Let me turn it around. This is the one of me going out and harvesting. There's a beautiful color in there. You see that? This is the one from the store. Okay. Now look at this one from the store. You've got some random clover leaf in there. You've got a random twig in there, like a random stick in there. It could be from the clover. It could not be. And you have some little random twigs in here that look like they could have come from the mullein plant. Okay? You see that? Now this is store-bought. I put it inside my baby's old food jar, but this is store-bought. Okay? This is how it looks when you get it from the store. You get it from me, or you go do it on your own, you're gonna get full clovers. You see that? Okay? Now that was just because I want to show you guys the difference between something that is wild crafted versus something that is not wild crafted. I'm still gonna use the store-bought one. I'm gonna make some tea. Okay.
Guys.
Okay, you can say hi. Say hi. You're showing them your hair that mommy's doing your hair?
Shower.
And you're telling them that you took a bath this morning, a shower? Very good. I'm glad you're using your words. Say see you later. Say see you later, guys. I'll say see you later. Okay, good girl. Good girl. Alright, guys. So, this quality of this red clover is going to be the quality that you need for your herbs. The color, I retained the color very well with the drying method. You can smell this through the jar, which is crazy. You can smell it through here. This one, which I got from the store, you cannot smell this through the jar. It does have other twigs in here that could be from the red clover. I see a couple that I can tell are not. They're actually from the plantano, which grows next to the red clover. But mind you, these red clovers were harvested not by hand, by machine. And it was literally a machine going through a field, scraping them all up with blades, and that's it. But you get this pile of mess instead of the nice, full, whole clovers. So, go into the wild, guys. Do some wild crafting. If you need some help, please let me know. Please don't try to do this on your own. I don't want anybody getting sick. Because as far as the white clover is concerned, you can only digest that during certain parts of the year, certain parts of its growth. So stick to the red clover because it's good no matter what. Make sure that you're not foraging near roads or in areas where there's a lot of people. Go to the outskirts of those areas because that's where you're going to find your herbs, okay? But that was all I wanted to show you guys for today. Going to be sowing some seeds here soon so I can share that with you guys. What else did I want to tell y'all? Okay, no, that's it. I'm gonna leave you guys alone. I love y'all. Thank you for visiting Lizzy's Alkaline Kitchen. My name is Lizzy B. Gold, and I will be back very soon. This evening, as a matter of fact, so I can show you guys the butternut squash and come up with the beans and rice that I showed you. And so that I can show you the acorn squash as well. Let's fast until 12 today. And then let's have some lunch together. I love you guys and thank you for visiting. Peace, healing, and namaste.